In this video, I'll be taking you over the steps on how you can start trading Forex for beginners from South Africa. Now, one of the first and foremost important thing that you want to do when you're delving into the world of Forex is get your education going. Now, a place that you can learn this for free is babypips.com. Now, once you're on babypips.com, you're going to select Learn Forex, and you're going to select Start Learning from the School of Pipsology. Now, once you have your education going, right, or you can do it simultaneously, you need a brokerage account. Now, you can use at Forex Market. There are many brokers that you can use. However, at Forex Market is relatively simple to use and very straightforward. The link is in the description of this video. Now, a very important thing that you need to take note of when you're selecting a broker, it doesn't matter which one, is your deposit and withdrawal methods. Now, to see the deposit and withdrawal methods at Forex Market, you're going to select trading, then you're going to hover over to deposits and withdrawals. For the deposit methods, you have your standard wire transfer option. This takes 2 to 7 business days to hit your account, and over $100 you pay no fees. Now, you also have debit or credit card. The minimum amount that you can deposit with this method is $5. It takes up to 10 minutes for the deposit to hit your account, and you can deposit up to a maximum of $10,000. There are no additional fees. Now, there are alternatives. So if you have a crypto account, a FasterPay, Neteller or Skrill, you can explore these options to deposit and withdraw from your account. Now, they also have some free education and training, right? You can access this from the Tools and Education tab and then select Online Trading Course, Educational Videos, Webinars, right? But you want to start out with the online trading courses if you're a complete beginner. Now we're going to be heading into the steps of creating and funding your account. So you're going to select register. Once you're on the website, you can access it from any page really. Then from the drop down, you're going to select your country of residence. Then you're going to provide your email address, a password, and then select continue. So there they're saying congratulations, my account has been verified. Now that your account is verified, you can choose to fund your account by selecting deposit. Choose how you want to fund your account. So the easiest option is debit or credit card. So we're going to be selecting the debit or credit card option. Now you can choose between a MasterCard or a Visa card. To know which one of them you have, look at the logo of the card. Once you provide your payment information, select pay. My account has been successfully funded. So I'm going to hit back to Artifacts. So my payment has been initiated. So I'm going to select continue here. So if your account is taking a while to be funded, you need to go to accounts. Under the notification section, select account. Now to have the pending deposit added to my account, I need to verify my card. I'm going to click here. And then I need to upload a picture of the front side of my card and then the reverse side of my card, as well as upload a bank statement that is associated with the card. Then you acknowledge and submit card verification. Once you upload all the verification documents, sign it by providing your first and surname and then submit card verification. So this may take a day or two to complete. So in the interest of time, I'm going to go ahead and open a demo account as well as a live trading account. So the next step is to go to trading accounts, select open a live account, choose your phone verification method. I'm going to select SMS. Once you validate your phone number, select next. Now here I'm going to select open trading account. Now on this page, you can choose your account type. Now if you're a beginner and you want some bonus, you can go with bonus accounts, right? So if we step back and take a look at the promotion, you'll learn more about the bonus account. So select bonus available. So you can get 20% on your top up. So if you put on $100, you get 120, so on and so forth, up to $5,000, right? So we're just going to select open trading account here. It's select to continue. Now you can choose between MT4 or MT5. I'm just gonna go with HFM or the MT5 platform, right? My base currency is USD and my leverage, I'm going to drop it down to say 1 to 500. Enter the password for your trading account. Agree to the terms and conditions and select open account. Now my funding is still in progress. As soon as the transaction is completed, you'll be notified and you'll be able to continue live trading on the account, right? So we're just going to select close for now and proceed to open a demo account. So go to trading accounts, select open demo account. I'm going to select the demo 0 account. I'm going to adjust the balance and set $5,000 and set a password as well. Accept the terms and conditions and then select open account. Please note that for MT4 and MT5, you have to use different apps. So you can download both of them from the App Store or Play Store. So this is the trading details that you'll need to log into the broker on your MT4. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to hop over to my mobile phone and continue with the next step. So we're going to log in and I'll be sharing with you how you can open your first trade. So I've just downloaded the MT4 app. Now just hit open, accept the terms and conditions, hit cancel. Now select login to existing account. So here the server we're going to search for is HFM Markets SV demo server. So it's this one here, HFM Markets SV demo server. So it will vary depending on when you open your account, right? But you should get the idea. Now enter your login ID. That's, in my case, it's this account number here. Once you complete your password, hit sign in. And these are a list of pairs, right? So I'm going to select your JPY and I'm going to select trade. And here you have the option to buy or sell. Now here is where you adjust your lot size. Basically that determines how much leverage you're taking on. So you can increase it by hitting this one, or you can decrease it by 0.1. Now this jumps by 0.10, right? Now this option is if you want to buy it or sell it at the current price that the currency pair is selling. Now you have the option to set pending orders. So here, if you select market execution, you see you have buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. So what's the difference between these? Now let's go to Trading View. The link will be in the description of this video. You can open an account with Trading View. So here I have a chart, remove, and this is the current price. Now buy stop is when you anticipate price to continue go up if it hits a certain price. So if it hit this price here, 168, then I want to buy in the direction, right? Now sell stop is the opposite. So sell stop would be if I expect price to come down from here, and then here I just continue to expect it to fall. That's where you'd put in a sell stop order. Now buy limit is when you expect price to drop to like a support and then continue going up. Now sell limit is the reverse. So here we have say a resistance. Now if price pushes up to this level, then we want a sell limit. So we are anticipating that price will reverse once it hits the sell limit. So I hope that helps. Now you need to manage your trade. So let me make this a bit smaller, bring up my mobile phone. So you need to set a stop loss and take profit whenever you take a trade, right? So a stop loss is where you expect price to reverse. So for example, at this line could be your stop loss, 153.59. This is your USD, so let's set it to your JPY. Stop loss 153.595. And the take profit is this blue line here, 173.443. And then you'll simply select buy to execute your trade. However, the market is currently closed, so I can't execute it. So I'd have to wait until the market opens before I could take the trade. So that's basically it in a nutshell. I hope this helps you get started, right? And the key thing in Forex to make it is discipline. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.